About this item: heavy checkmark tall drafting chair. The design of the adjustable height foot ring makes the chair's wide range of applications more extensive. Flexible and height adjustable office chairs can better help us to complete special work tasks, such as sitting on them to paint, do experiments, make bar stools, etc. Heavy checkmark ergonomic office chair. This task chair with lumbar support standing office chair. The back of the chair is designed with a natural body curve designed to help you reduce the pressure on the back and maintain a better posture. In addition, the back of the chair is made of breathable mesh material, which keeps you feeling fresh even after working all day. And the cushion of the chair is made of thick foam cushion. Even if you sit for a long time, you can feel the softness of the seat. Heavy checkmark adjustable height foot ring. Comfortable tall office task chair with a foot ring that can be adjusted up and down for easier use. The adjustable metal foot ring not only provides proper support for your feet but also properly corrects your sitting habits so you can always show a beautiful sitting posture. Heavy checkmark soiled and durable base. The base of the highly adjustable office chair is made of strong and durable metal. The high-quality pentagonal base keeps you stable and can support up to 270 pounds of weight. In addition, this chair features an explosion-proof gas lift system to ensure smooth height adjustment. 360-degree swivel casters are very smooth and you can slide the casters at will to facilitate your work and save time. The wheels are suitable for any type of flooring. Assembly required. Heavy checkmark easy installation. Assemble. Each of our products comes in a box with an